Trees where time has learned how to wait. Stones keep names long forgotten that only the moon can translate. My steps alight on the dampened earth. My heart is a quiet prayer. We are not shadow, we are not sin. We are roots, we are air. They said we were made of fear. They said we were made of wrong, but we were only women, speaking with the sacred and the dawn. We are the daughters of the forest, guardians of fire and bread. We drink the light of the sun god and rest where the mother is spread. They called it witchcraft, what was only knowing and love. They called it a spell, what was written in the stars above. I gather herbs, I speak to the wind, I read the signs in the eyes of the night. The moon draws maps on my body of everything waiting for light. We made circles, never prisons. We sang to the sky for rain, where they saw only danger and fire. There was only the art of healing pain. We were never owners of the world. We were always part of its breath. But those who don't understand the forest always try to silence its step. We are the daughters of the forest, guardians of fire and bed. We drink the light of the sun god and rest for the mother spread. They called it witchcraft, what was only knowing and love. They called it a spell, what was written in the stars above. We are the daughters of the forest. We were never the dark or the fall. We are prayer, we are seed, we are earth, we are all. What they once called witchcraft, this is sacred, alive in our veins, and the world still trembles in memory when it hears our ancient names. And I still walk among the ancient trees,